To summon a ghost, one must first understand the intricate process and the potential risks involved. Contacting spirits from the other side can have unpredictable consequences, so it's essential to approach this task with caution and reverence. The first step in summoning a ghost is crucial: creating the right atmosphere. This involves more than just dimming the lights and lighting candles. It's about setting the stage for spiritual communication by creating an environment of mystery and intrigue. Consider using incense or smudging with sage to purify the space and invoke a sense of sacredness. Selecting appropriate music or soundscapes can also help to attune the energy and enhance receptivity to the spirit world. Next, one must focus on their intention. It's essential to be clear about why you are summoning a ghost and what you hope to achieve. Whether seeking guidance, closure, or simply curiosity, having a well-defined intention will provide direction and purpose to the summoning process. Once the intention is set, it's time to initiate the summoning ritual. There are various methods for summoning a ghost, but one of the most traditional and widely practiced is through a seance. A seance typically involves gathering a group of individuals in a circle and attempting to establish communication with the spirits through a designated medium. The medium acts as a conduit, facilitating the exchange of energy between the living and the deceased. During the seance, participants should maintain a state of openness and receptivity to the presence of spirits. This can be achieved through practices such as meditation, deep breathing, and visualization. It's important to cultivate an atmosphere of respect and reverence, honoring the spirits and acknowledging their presence with sincerity and humility. As the seance unfolds, it's common for spirits to make their presence known through various manifestations. These can range from subtle sensations such as changes in temperature or atmospheric pressure to more dramatic occurrences like unexplained sounds or movements. Participants should remain vigilant and attentive to these signs, interpreting them as potential indicators of spiritual activity. At the conclusion of the seance, it's crucial to properly close the connection with the spirits. This can be done through a formal closing ritual, during which participants express gratitude for the spirit's presence and respectfully ask them to return to their realm. Failing to properly close the connection can leave residual energy lingering in the space, potentially leading to unwanted spiritual disturbances or negative consequences. Be careful.